Well, good morning. It's been a while since we've had much action here at the club. So today we're going to cut down this tree here. Been dead for a couple of years actually, and there's probably 5 or 6 others around here. Over here I've cut down already probably 4 or 5. There's a couple more in here that need to come out. What's happening is it's these are ash trees, and there's a parasite that's been attacking them in this area, and so throughout the area here, the ash trees are really taking a hit, and so we're going to clear these out because the dead branches keep falling and what have you. So we're going to take this one down today, and I'm going to leave it a little high. We're going to leave it right about here, and I'll put a piece of granite or something on top of it, and it's going to be my stand to hold beverages and whatnot when I'm playing horseshoes. So I think that'll work out all right. We're not going to use this saw. This is my little tomato slicer that we were cutting up some sticks with. Unfortunately, my bigger saws are on the fritz, so I've got a still I'll go get, and we'll get started here. Okay, there's kind of another shot of what we're going to do here, and it's got a little bit of a lean out this way, so I think we'll be okay. Got a wedge if I need it, but we don't want it to go backwards because that would mess up the shed, and Miss Kimmy would not be happy about that. So I think we'll be all right. We're going to try to we're going to put it right between those 2 trees, and then we'll cut the tops out and get it off the golf course, and we should be good to go. So we'll keep it posted, and stay tuned. Okay, so Miss Kimmy made me put a hard hat on, probably a good idea, in case we got some nasty stuff up there that might break out. But I think we're ready to go here, so we'll give it a whirl. The way you do it. Missed the mark just a shade, but I think we'll be okay. So Miss Kim will be happy when she gets home from her run, but she didn't have to watch it. It scares her. Anyway, so what we got to do now is cut it up and get it out of here, and we'll be good to go. Listen to a little country music. Okay, this is where I wish I had a few boys around here, because now we got to cut all this up and do something with it. I think I'm just going to kind of haul it over to my friend Scott's and let him cut it up for firewood. That's what all that other stuff laying there from the other trees is for. And then later tonight, I'm going to have me a bonfire over there with all the other sticks and what have you from the other trees. That's just left over. That's about the third bonfire I'll have, and I have it pretty well cleaned up. So anyway, what we're going to do here, and left the stump a little bit high. I'm going to try to level it off there and make it good and flat, and that'll be like a little table for the horseshoe arena right here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and finish cutting this up and get all the mess picked up. See, the pond's still frozen out there, but hopefully we're kind of starting to get through the winter, and you'll see the snow's pretty well melted, but there's still patches where the sun doesn't get it much. So anyway, we'll talk to y'all later. Starting to get a little mushy out here where the ground's starting to thaw a little bit. Probably a few critics are going to be watching this video, particularly those of you in Darrington. You're probably going to be pretty critical of what I'm doing here and what I did over there. The fallen probably isn't as good as you'd like, but it's okay here for the East Coast, I guess, huh? I'll go get my one of those yellow saws and give that a whirl. I'll be right back. Okay, what we're going to do now, I got one of my old McCulloughs out, and I've already started it, so it's probably going to start up right away. So those critics of McCulloughs, old McCulloughs, just keep your mouth shut. This one started, runs just fine. Stay tuned. Bit of carburetor adjustment. Get my screwdriver and tune it up a little bit. Be right back. Okay, we're going to see how it went now after a few little tweaks on the carburetor. We'll see, it might blow it up, but oh well.